Before you watch this video, please make sure to go to my channel and click on playlists. Then from the playlists, select Forex Scalping Strategies. Click on the Scalping Strategies and then you will find here one video called the Best Forex Scalping Strategy explained in details along with Forex price action. Please watch these two videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to watch in this live trading video. Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Today I'm going to apply again the 20 pips a day strategy, and this time I'm aiming for the gold. However, I just wanted to say something about yesterday's deal of the day, which of course has failed miserably as we have all seen together. Now again, I have sent the signal to start buying the USDJPY right from this point right here, I think at about 0.92929, and as we can see, the pair has went straight to the stop loss. That's actually my typical luck, and I really don't know why this is happening. I have been trading for a long time, and every time I share a setup with everyone just to hopefully give them some time to make some profits, it just failed miserably. I have no idea why did this happen, and I'm here to announce that this was the end of the deal of the day videos. There will be no more of these videos again. I will just stick to the weekly analysis and the midweek analysis, and of course the live trading videos. If anyone has any good idea of a new series on my channel, please share it with me. I really tried my best. Instead of doing these recorded live trading sessions, to share with you a setup that we can all trade together, but I have again no idea why I'm always picking the worst setups possible in these deals of the day videos. I just feel bad about it. You have no idea how much I feel bad about it, and I'm really very sorry for anyone who have lost any money in that deal. It was actually a good setup, but however, I mean, what happened is happened and we can't do anything about it. And I'm here now to prove the power of my strategy. This setup is exactly the same setup of the USDCHF. Now we can see it on the gold. Exactly, just copy paste. USDCHF, as you can see, the reason I have sent the signal to start buying the pair right from that level. If I go to the 1 hour time frame, we can see clearly that we had right here the strong key support level at 0.96308. And also we are having here the support trend line, which was supposedly to be respected. Actually, I think it was like this. It was almost like this. So again, sadly, the USDCHF has failed. But however, the gold, I believe, is not gonna fail. I want to show you that Forex is the possibilities market, and it's not possible actually to have the same winning ratio on every single day. Sometimes your setup might fail, sometimes it might work, but I'm here again to prove to you that my setup was actually a valid one. So let's see now how this is gonna work. I'm just waiting for the gold to fall again under the pressure from that resistance at 1827.17, hopefully to create a new support level by making a pullback right here, and that support right here at 1824.25 most likely is going to be respected. By judging the 4 hour time frame, we can see that the market is indeed getting ready for a bullish reversal. So again, I'm back on the 15-minute time frame. And by the way, my friends, I wanted to share with you also how did the midweek analysis went. It actually went pretty well in my opinion. The Euro USD was ranging inside of the safe zone, currently running in about 23 pips. Pound USD has went all the way straight to the take profit level, making 95 pips. AUD USD is still ranging in the profit and currently running in about 50 pips, I would say. USD CAD is also ranging right now in the profit and has been triggered, as we can see, running to in 53 pips of profit. USDJPY, of course, and USDCHF has failed miserably. The gold actually was ranging due to the speech of Mr. Jerome Powell, and as we can see, it's eventually running in the right direction. I know it went outside of the safe zone, but eventually going in the direction which I have predicted. So again, I'm not a perfect person, and by the way, to be honest, no one said any bad words in the comments. Everyone was polite and nice. However, what happened, and I just wanted to apologize if anyone has failed in that trade. Anyway, let me just show you now. So all I have to do right now is waiting for the gold to fall to another 20 pips, I would say, before I can start buying it. So until then, allow me please to pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once I open this trade. Alright, so as you can see, the gold is indeed rising, and it finally has made the breakout from the resistance at 1827.10. Now I have changed the lines. I had aligned my support line to be right here on that strong key support level, as we can see right here and right there. And of course as well, I have changed the support trend line to be at this level right here and moved it all the way up to this level, to the previous resistance trend line. Now, after the appearance of this bullish breakout candle, we can actually expect from the gold to create a new support trend line. So I'm simply getting ready to start buying the gold very soon. I think I may be gonna I'm thinking if I should do okay, no need. Yeah, we can go to the 0.80 lot size, and done. I have opened the trade. First of all, set the stop loss to be right here at about $170. Should be fine. And right here, I'm going to increase the line to be at the nearest support and the nearest resistance. Perfect. So again, my friends, as you can see, because I'm using IC Markets is indeed the best Forex broker in the world. I actually have to admit this always because I really appreciate their service. I have been using IC Markets since more than 7 years by now. I had zero problems in every aspect. The servers are quite fast. The withdrawal is fast. The support is amazing. They really care. They call me sometimes to check how things are going. Do I have any complaints in my system? Like that. I mean, they are really caring about their clients. And I'm very happy for the spreads as well. The spread is really so tight. And as you can see for the gold right now, it's 1.5. And by the way, this is high. Usually, the gold is actually less than 0 pip, less than 1 pip. If you are on IC Markets and you are having higher spread, make sure to switch to the raw account. Don't go to the standard unless you are ready for the pips and you don't want the commissions. I'm fine by the commissions because what I care actually more is the entry. I want to have a proper entry to have actually it's just give me a clear trade. I mean, I have been trading for 7 years this way, and I don't want to switch to the standard account, risking to lose more pips in the spreads. Anyway, I need to talk about the gold setup. So right now, as you can see, I have placed my trade right here at the new support after the breakout from that resistance at 1827.10. Right now, the market is getting ready to create the new support. Now, the thing I want to tell you here, you cannot just assume that every broken resistance is going to become a new support. You have to look at the left side to make sure that there is a support. So there is a support right here at the exact same level of your entry. And by the way, it has to be a near support. Don't pick a very far support like this one or this one. Make sure that the support right here is the nearest one to the bullish breakout candle. That's what my whole strategy is all about. And of course, for the take profit level, make sure to place the nearest resistance as the nearest resistance to your entry as a take profit level. As you can see, we had right here a resistance, but however, this is actually what's supposed to be the take profit level. But with this strong bullish movement on the gold, I believe that it's going to continue to rise till it reaches the nearest resistance, which is also this one. This is actually the nearest resistance. This is the next resistance after this one. I'm a little bit going against my rules here, but I still believe that the gold is going to continue to rise. That's why I'm giving it actually an exception. And by the way, the general direction of the gold is in my opinion going to be for the bearish. But however, right now on the 4-hour time frame, we are actually facing a support level. That's why, and according to the strategy of 20 pips a day, we always have to switch to the bigger time frame, such as the 4-hour. And if we are actually on a support zone, search for buy orders. So I looked for buy orders since I am actually on the 4-hour time frame on a support level. So by switching to the 50-minute time frame, I can see clearly that I had a very good entry for another buy level. Look at that. Fantastic. Immediately, my friends, that's really why I love gold. Instantly we're in profit. It just happened right in front of you. Instantly. I mean, this is fantastic. Actually, guys, you know something, I really want to secure some profits. So I'm going to move the take profit level to be right here. This is actually the right level to place the take profit level. This is the resistance. So I'm actually getting excited right now. 110, 130. Oh my God. Fantastic. 150. 152. 152, fantastic. I'm very happy, very happy. I'm very happy. $152 in my local currency. That's equivalent to, I believe, 550 dirhams. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it's a very good amount. And actually, making this amount of money in just one day is really great. I'm very happy. Very happy. Almost $3,000. Actually, that was my target, to make the account reach $3,000. I wanted to say something else, personal actually. This week was not really so good for me. I have faced some losses. That's why I'm really happy about this profit. And as you can see, actually the account, to be honest with you, my friends, the account was about $3,100 yesterday. But I have made some mistakes. I actually lost money in the USDCHF. I actually really trusted that setup, but sadly I have lost about $300 in the USDCHF alone. But I'm not that sad because I was actually prepared for that. I said I'm going to invest the $300. I'm ready to lose them. If I lost them, that's it. What happened. I'm going to recover, and as you can see, thankfully, I already have recovered. By the way, I have made some losses on the pound NZD, pound JPY. I don't remember what else, but however, that is what happened yesterday. So actually, I'm very happy to recover the losses. And I wanted to prove to you also that whenever we are losing any trade in Forex, it's always possible to recover. Don't just immediately give up and think, oh my God, I effed up and I cannot do it. I'm a loser. I need to find a strategy that never fails no matter what happens. That's not gonna happen. Don't waste your time. You will never find the perfect strategy that never fails. You have to always understand that losses is part of this. Anyway, let me now move to the 4-hour time frame and let's try to find if we can find something else. Right now it's 11:51 a.m. Dubai time on Friday, and it seems like actually a good market. The market right now is active, and I'm happy for seeing the movements. So far, for example, for the pound NZD, currently the pound NZD is actually in a bad place because, as we can see on the 4-hour time frame, we are having right here the support level, and we are having here the resistance. I'm looking, of course, for the key support and key resistance levels. Currently, the pound NZD is actually in the middle. So therefore, I cannot really find any good setup right here. I can't make any decision if I should look for a buy or sell. So better avoid it. I want the secure setups. I want the setups that actually can indeed guarantee me profit. The only reason I'm here is to make money. I'm not here to gamble or to play video games. I'm here only to make money. If I can't find a setup that can secure me some profits, then I'm simply not going to trade. As simple as that. It has to be a completely trusted and very trusted setup. Let me just tell you. Now the USDJPY. Again, USDJPY is currently on the 4-hour time frame on a support zone, as you can see, which was previously a strong key resistance level. So indeed, 134.524 is indeed a strong support level. So let's now hop to the 50-minute time frame. Perfect. Place the buy order immediately. I don't even have time to explain it. Immediately place the buy order. And let me just tell you, the stop loss has to be right here. My friends, by the way, when I'm talking about the stop loss, I'm looking at the amount. I'm looking at how much dollars I'm going to invest in this trade. So I looked right here. I saw $170. That's actually my investment for this trade. It's only 18 pips, but that's actually my investment plan. Okay, what's happening right now? Okay, yeah. Again, these mistakes happened. I don't want to lose the profit that I have just made from the gold. That's actually one of the reasons I don't do much live trading videos. I get so excited and I do mistakes. I do a lot of mistakes. Now I can see the mistake that I have done right here. Placing a buy order indeed was wrong. We are having here that support trend line. After the bearish breakout from it, it has become a new resistance trend line. So actually placing a sell order here was the right option. Why did I rush to place the buy order? Was simply because I saw here a support level. And as we can see, the market right now, I don't know. I have actually thought that this is going to be a new support. There is no bullish breakout here. This setup is totally wrong in every single aspect. And I'm seriously mad right now. Okay, placing sell order here buy order was so stupid. Honestly speaking, guys, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Placing buy order here was a big mistake, and that is actually to show you that even the professional traders can do these stupid mistakes. Everyone can fall to them. Everyone. I'm really upset right now. That was not supposed to happen. Why did I place buy order here? I really thought that this is going to become a new support level, but there is not a single bullish breakout candle right here. So it is my mistake. It is my mistake indeed. I admit I have made a mistake. Let's see what will gonna happen. I'm going to pause the recording and I'll be back to you later. Alright, I have no idea what's happening. I'm going to close this trade right now and get done with it. Okay, actually I have to admit I was so lucky. It was horribly wrong setup. I mean, it was horribly wrong idea to start buying without seeing any bullish breakout candle. Actually, my friends, I have made a mistake. I have to admit. I have this problem when I get excited. I do these mistakes. Luckily, I've managed to close this trade with a break even. Actually, I was talking on the phone. Then suddenly I look at the screen and there it is in running in profit. I was actually planning to close it in a small loss or break even, but I was lucky that I have ended in some small profit. I think about $30 of profit, which was fine. Actually, no. Deciding to buy right now is not the good idea. Even though on the 4-hour time frame we're actually on a support level, but maybe on the 50-minute time frame it's not. Yes, we can see it rising. Of course, I cannot predict the future. I cannot confirm how the market is gonna move. I just analyze it and just hoping for the best. So maybe it will continue the rise, I don't know. So I don't even want to think about it. I'm going to continue finding some other setups and let's try to find something else. And I'm just searching right in front of you. I'm not pausing the video. I want you guys to live the moment of how long it takes actually to find these setups. We are on 17 minutes and we have only 2 trades opened. That is not good. That is actually boring video. It's going to be boring and I'm sure a lot of you will just skip to see the profits. Anyway, just to save your time, let me please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later. Alright, we are back to the gold, and again my friends, I'm going to make another entry, but of course for the gold I cannot go with 1.3 lot size. I'm going to change it to 0.80. I don't really prefer to go higher than that on the gold with my small amount, small capital. However, as you can see right now, the gold is again on the 15-minute time frame, falling again to retest the broken resistance level right here, and this is actually the nearest support to that resistance level. That's why we can see that the gold has already started the reversal right here. But however, I'm not going to place a buy order right here. I will place the buy order right here. But why here? Well, first of all, my strategy rules says this. If we have a broken resistance level, look for the bullish breakout candle and then open your trade at the same level of the peak of the wick right here, which is the nearest one to the bullish breakout candle. So we are having here the peak of the wick and we're having here the bullish breakout candle. So as we can see, I had drawn my line right here exactly at the same level of the peak of that wick, and I'm going to place the buy order exactly right here. Most likely the gold is going to continue the fall till it reaches that level. The real level of the resistance lies exactly right here at 1826.10. Now we can see that the gold is indeed reversing. It's just retesting the level. But if I'm not mistaken, eventually the gold will continue to fall all the way till it reaches that level exactly where I have drawn the line. And if we look at the left, we can see it clearly that this was actually a strong key support level. the gold most likely is going to be respecting that level of a support. Therefore, I decided that this is actually a better place to buy the gold, and I will have to wait till the gold reaches that level. So until then, allow me please to pause the recording. Alrighty, we have actually found a better setup right here on the pound CAD, sorry. Right now on the 4-hour time frame, actually I'm facing a resistance level. So we need to look now for the sell orders. So I will switch now from the 4-hour time frame to the 15-minute time frame. Now this is perfect. This is perfect. I'm going to place the sell order right now. Fantastic, fantastic. Opening the sell order right here is actually the right decision. Now let me just set my take profit level, and of course I will tell you guys about the reason for this trade. So number one, again, as I have mentioned, on the 4-hour time frame, we're actually facing a resistance level, which means we have to start looking for shorting. Remember, I'm actually scalping the market only. I'm not looking for swing trades. I'm just looking for a small reversal where I can get out with a small profit from scalping the market. So by looking at the 15-minute time frame right now, we can see clearly that first of all, we are having here a strong resistance level. As you can see, 1.59185 was actually a quite strong resistance level all the runtime. However, the main reason for opening the trade right here is not only this, it's also because we are having here a support trend line. And that support trend line, as we can see, has been recently breaking out from, and the market has went all the way retesting the broken support trend line to create a new resistance trend line. Look at that, instantly in profit, my friends. Amazing, amazing. I'm very happy about that, and it's actually running so far in about 7 pips of profit. That's why I really love Forex. You have to love Forex. How can you hate it? I mean, if you just understand this market, if you just have enough time observing this market, understanding it, you will actually enjoy making these profits. For some people, Forex is just like a place where they lose money, but for me, thankfully, I'm very happy I have reached this level in my life where Forex is actually where I can enjoy my time and of course making money. So as we can see, so far we are running in about $60 of profit. As you can see, my friends, I'm really a simple person. Making these small profits is actually making me very happy. I'm totally aware that there are a lot of traders who are actually making thousands, making hundreds of thousands, living in their mansions, driving the fancy cars. I'm not one of them. I'm just enjoying making my living from Forex. And $86, that's really fine by me. $81, fine. That's totally fine. Accept it. Just don't be greedy. Don't risk losing the whole trade just because you're hungry for 2 pips more. That's really fine by me. $81 is really fine. Right now the account is $2,918. That's totally fine. Of course I'm going to continue trading, but the video is 22 minutes and that's already so long. I don't want to make the videos long and boring. Therefore, we will stop trading right here for the live trading session. But again, of course, I will continue doing my live trades for today. The market seems really good, and I'm very excited to continue trading. Again, my friends, I really hope you have learned something from this live trading session. It's just a proof that always don't give up. Always make sure that once you have made any losses, you can always recover them. Forex market is all about possibilities. Don't ever think that there is a setup that can never fail or a strategy that will never fail. That's not possible. You have to program your mind that Forex is always a market of ups and downs. If you cannot live with that, then you cannot survive in this business. You have to accept the losses, and however, you have to also learn how to recover from them. And that's my purpose here on this channel, to teach you how to do these scalping sessions using my strategy, and hopefully helping you to make a lot of profits, and hopefully it's gonna change your life for the best. So until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.